And another one. Lots of lily. That's a big guy. Black bottom koi pond with a giant lily. And a lot of fish. They're gonna be hard to get. Another day, another clean out.
Rainy day too.
It is raining. This is one we built though, so should go pretty smooth. We'll get this knocked out. We'll get these big fish in a couple of tubs and knock this thing out real quick. We're gonna divide these aquatic plants, so we'll rip about half of them out and call it a day. In the rain. The neighbors today. How you doing down there? Huh? Another day, another clean out. Another pondless going. Is it cold enough, buddy?
It's freezing today.
It's snowing, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's snowing again. We are out in the middle of nowhere. It is beautiful. Had to use 4-wheel drive to get to the house. We're talking good living.